Out of the many topics we discussed, virtue ethics made the most significant impact on me. This concept emphasizes the importance of character and virtues such as honesty, compassion, and courage in guiding our actions, unlike other ethical frameworks that focuses solely on rules or outcomes. Virtue ethics encourages us to become better individuals by cultivating good habits and striving for moral excellence. This idea resonated me because it highlights that ethical living is not just about making right decisions, but also about becoming the best version of ourselves. Yes, studying ethics, particularly virtue ethics, has made me think about the world in a deeper sense. It encourages me to reflect on the values that drive people's action and the kind of person I want to be. For instance, in today's fast-paced and competitive world, it's easy to focus solely on personal success. However, virtue ethics reminded me that true fulfillment comes from contributing positively to the lives of others and our communities. It has made me more mindful of my actions and their impact on those around me. Ethics is significant in our daily lives because it serves as a moral compass that guides our decisions and interactions. It helps us discern right from wrong, build trust in our relationships, and create a harmonious society. Without ethics, our actions would lack direction, and the world would be chaotic. For instance, virtue like integrity and kindness are essential in fostering meaningful connections and ensuring fairness in both personal and professional settings. Absolutely yes. I see myself applying the principle of virtue ethics in many areas of my life. For example, in my studies, I aim to practice diligence and perseverance to achieve my goals. In my relationships, I strive to embody empathy and respect to nurture strong bonds. These virtues are not just abstract concepts, but practice tools that help me grow as a person and contribute positively to society. The quote that stands out to me from our ethics discussion is Aristotle's famous saying, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. This reminds me that living ethically is a continuous process. It's about consistently practicing good habits until they become an integral part of who we are. To my handsome ethics instructor, Sir Marco Vergallo, thank you for guiding us through this subject with passion and insights. Your lessons have not only deepened my understanding of ethics, but also inspired me to live a life rooted in virtue and purpose. Your dedication to teaching us left a lasting impact on me, and I am truly grateful for the knowledge and wisdom you shared.